This is a shout out for my Go Blue brothers. Today is Tuesday, February 10th, and tonight Michigan State plays at University of Michigan. Go Blue to my big fellas. If I was there, this is what I'd tell you. I remember when they were going to the NIT and we were going to the NCAA. I remember when we were in the finals and they were watching on TV. I remember playing against Magic with my All-Americans such as Ricky Green and Phil Hubbard, and I remember when the tables were turned. So tonight is going to be a great chance for you to turn the tables, Blue. All you Blue fans out there, tune in and see our freshmen go to work. We can get to the NCAA this year. Don't have to wait till next year if Manny comes to play. If Deshaun rules the boards, man, they're going to have a tough time matching up with our three-point shooters tonight. I hear Tom Izzo already crying. Hey, Coach. This is Tom Staten, the Mad Baller, giving a shout out to the Blue from 1979. Go Blue!
Ba-da-da.